hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Welcome back to the land of milk and honey, where we're trying to figure out if we got 12-inch on the stabber or not. We think we got it figured out. We're not really sure.
We definitely got 12-inch. Definitely got 12 inches.
I know what 12 inches looks like, so I think we do, but he doesn't.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is...
We're plowing mains today, baby. Yep. Just give me a minute, I'll crawl up that. I got this going through. Yep. Thank you. Starts dug, tiles in, ready to rock and roll. Got any words of wisdom this morning?
It's not a great pipe.
Nope.
It's not muddy though.
Yeah.
Just up here. Isn't the water supposed to be going the other way?
I don't know, we're experienced tilers. We make water run uphill.
Yeah.
Want some more?
Yep.
It's going pretty smooth. That high pro power feeder really is the ticket though. Before we'd have to manhandle the pipe, shove it down in the boot by hand, but now that we got that thing, it's a cakewalk, I tell you what. Pretty smooth, pretty smooth. We got milk dud on the back of the stringer, making sure it doesn't unravel on us. Just gotta be careful, we might get whacked in the face by a 12-inch pipe. Oh, takes cover. Woo! Good job. Vamonos! We got a stab a roll of 12 and carry a roll of 10 because we got to reduce up there at the next, after the next roll. So bumblebee tuna. Had it backwards, so we're gonna have to go on the other side. It's kind of hard to tell when the tail is that far on the outside, but it's aight. We ball. Whoa, Nelly! Vamonos.
Got our lovable 10 on next.
Do it in the air?
Yep.
I may have to.
They've been drilling the holes lately. It's nice. I can't tell you how much of a difference that makes. Just,
All of a sudden, he got nicer. A lot friendlier to work with.
what happened? I
Hey, Jordan.
couldn't tell you. You okay with that?
I mean, yeah. Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted a loop in the back.
You're working my ass off before.
Okay.
I didn't make it bad, like, stop.
Roger that, rubber duck. Good job, Milk Dud. Good job. Keep it up. Yep. What the problem is?
I'd say stay probably about how you are, slightly forward until we get that first wrap going.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're gonna hang up on that bar probably.
Yeah.
He's on the phone.
Okay. This is the last of the 10 going in here. Yep. Would you like a ride?
Yes, please.
Time for a boot change. Got some solid pipe.
Happy Ape?
Yeah. Stand
Stay
on
on it till I get out.
it. Yep.
Then go hop into the loader.
Yep. It's always good to put in solid, even if you don't need it. Never know, it might grow up. There's a tree they planted right there. It's always good to be precautious. Okay.
You can go ahead and string this. All of my tracks.
Okay. Just got back from lunch, and what the field that we're working in that was a little bit frozen over is now got a greasy top to it, and the mud's kind of sticking to the tires. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a soup sandwich out here, and we'll be just fine. It's not too bad. Just might have our mains done today if we keep going at it like we are. That'd be great. So we are coming over here across this main, and the dozer hasn't flattened it out yet, so we got to make our own path to cross without. We gotta watch behind us there too. Don't don't want to jackknife this pig. If I hadn't have done that, the possibility of me getting stuck down in that dip and dumping this roll of 6 off the end are very high. So we gotta improvise. Once again, don't want to jackknife. Still a little bit of a dip, but not as bad as if I wouldn't have pushed some of that in. Yep, spare truck gets up okay. Let's cha-cha. Little mid-afternoon update for you. It is 2:30. We are running 6-inch through the 8-inch boot. The mud condition is slimy, and we are running low on fuel. But other than that, we're doing pretty good. We're just down to 6-inch, and then we're done with all our mains for the day. Tomorrow we'll do laterals and then pack up and move on to the next one. So, toodles.